Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel, and I also upload videos related to AI. So इन तीन चीज़ों के ऊपर वीडियो बनाता हूँ मैं, राइट एंड चैनल पे नए हो तो स्वागत है आपका. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all those people who are new to this channel, okay, and to the existing subscribers, thank you very much that you guys continuously watch my videos. Through that I get a lot of encouragement and motivation in adding a lot of valuable content, right? So thank you very much for that. And I believe here that we are having a very healthy relationship here, because you guys have continuously like commented on few videos. So through that I have seen you guys have given your positive encouragement, positive comments. So I really like that very much, right? Thank you so much. And it's pretty clear that you guys are enjoying my content, and I will do my best to add a lot of valuable content. ठीक है, एक चीज़ साफ है कि आप लोग मेरे कंटेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हो, एंड मेरा कोशिश रहेगा कि मैं वैल्यूबल कंटेंट ऐड कर सकूँ, राइट? And it'll be like we have a win-win kind of thing going on. Okay, so here I've written this prompt: can one 10x one's learning through AI, and is 10x learning important for 10x production? देखो पर्सनली आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो यस, दिस इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड ये हुआ जा सकता है. अब एआई से पूछूंगा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या हो सकता है एंड क्या इतना ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो आई हिट एंटर. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट. So here it is said that absolutely AI can supercharge learning, and exponential learning often fuels exponential output. Yes, absolutely. But the key is leveraging AI strategically rather than just consuming information passively. Sure. How AI can 10x learning? ठीक है. AI accelerates learning in ways that traditional methods can't. Personalized learning, instant feedback and iteration. ठीक है. तो ऑब्वियसली इसमें मतलब आप चीज़ नोटिस किया होगा कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ये है कि कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें हैं, कुछ ऐसे बेनिफिट्स हैं जो ट्रेडिशनल लर्निंग मेथड में आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, पर्सनली अब मेरा जो जर्नी रहा है 50+ टेक्स्ट क्वेरीज को सीखने का, उसमें एआई का मेजर हाथ रहा है. ओके, सो आई वाज ऑल्सो अमेज्ड दैट आईआईएम और आईआईटी के लेवल का जो लर्निंग है ना, वो ऑलमोस्ट एआई के थ्रू आजकल हो रहा है, एंड दिस इज़ अनबिलीवेबल, राइट? पर्सनलाइज्ड लर्निंग. सो एक तो क्या है कि पर्सनलाइज्ड लर्निंग है, फिर इंस्टेंट फीडबैक, राइट, एंड दैट टू 24/7, और बिना थके आपको फीडबैक देगा. AI will never be tired. AI will be there 24/7, and that's the best part. And then pattern recognition. AI helps spot trends and insight in areas like YouTube analytics, which you have explored, allowing for smarter decision making. Okay, synthesizing information. Instead of reading 10 articles, AI can summarize key takeaways, helping you absorb more in less time. Absolutely, for sure. This is one of the major highlights. Automating repetitive work. When AI handles low-level tasks, mental energy stays focused on high-leverage thinking. For sure. And इसमें से कई सारी चीज़ें हैं, जैसा synthesizing information has helped me a lot personally. And I've also seen that instant feedback. This has happened for sure. Okay, and does 10x learning lead to 10x production? It depends. Learning alone isn't enough, execution is everything. Okay, many people absorb knowledge but struggle with application. AI helps bridge that gap. AI assist in execution. If you're using AI tools for, ये तो मेरा फील्ड से जुड़ा हुआ हो गया, बट कोई और फील्ड भी हो, ओके, ये ट्रांसलेटिंग लर्निंग इनटू एक्शन, ऑलराइट. Enhance creative problem solving. AI assist in areas like dummy tunnel designs. No, no, ये भी साइड में रखते ना, बिकॉज आई वाज सर्चिंग ऑन समथिंग, अलाउिंग यू टू अप्लाई न्यू फाउंड नॉलेज. मतलब जो भी डोमेन में स्ट्रेटेजी डिसीजन मेकिंग, ठीक है. सो इन समरी, 10x लर्निंग कैन ड्राइव 10x प्रोडक्शन, एब्सोल्युटली. ठीक है, आपका नॉलेज अगर आप उसको एक्शन पे लेके आओगे, उतारोगे, तो 100% पॉसिबल होगा 10x लर्निंग के थ्रू. एंड दैट 10x लर्निंग कैन ऑल्सो बी पॉसिबल थ्रू AI. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. तो And that's the same thing I've said in earlier videos, that there is so much to learn in life that one lifetime will be insufficient. लाइफ में इतना है सीखने के लिए कि एक जन्म कम पड़ जाएगा. And I really mean this. These are my own words. Okay? So thank you so much for patiently watching the video. And in case you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing to this channel, wherein I'll be adding valuable content on a regular basis, through which it can benefit you and it can also benefit me as well. Okay? Thank you so much. Take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.